Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be going over exactly how to configure our Stripe plugin. So let's jump into our editor and start setting up that connection between Bubble and Stripe so that we can accept payments. So I'm sitting here on a Bubble application which I've just set up. The first step that we want to do is we want to go to our plugin section here, click add plugin, search for Stripe and click install. And what this plugin allows us to do is it allows us to create a connection between Bubble and Stripe so that we can process payments, including transactions and subscriptions, for example. The real utility of using a plugin is it allows us to easily handle complex API integrations and kind of add a feature set or visual effects. And the feature set that we can see here is a variety of actions such as charging the current user, collecting the user's credit card information, amongst others. And it means that we can just add in our API keys and set up these actions without having to go to our API connector, having to add another API and set up various calls to Stripe, as that's a lot more complex. So what this Stripe plugin allows us to do is to really easily set this up. What we need to do now is we now need to create an account on Stripe so that we can connect our Bubble application to our Stripe account. Alrighty, so let's just jump over to stripe.com, and what we want to do now is we want to create an account. So I'll just click start now, and then I'll add my personal details here to create my account. Alrighty, so now I'm sitting here on my dashboard, and what you can see here is that it says that I need to add business details to accept payments. So to go live and to actually accept real payment data on our Bubble application, we do need to add the business details, which is specific to the application that we are developing. Right now, I'm only going to be using the test API keys and test data. The reason why is even before we go live, we always use test data so that we can test with test credit card information, just so that everything is working and we can make sure it's working before we actually start accepting real payments and incurring real charges. But it is the exact same process to go between the test mode and the live mode, and you just need to toggle this little switch at the top here. So once we've done that, if you so wish to set up your business details for now, we'll then click on this, which is API keys for developers. And I'm going to copy my publishable key. I'll go back to here and I will go publishable key development and paste this in. I'll then jump back to here, reveal my secret key, copy that one, and pop it in here. So now my Bubble Stripe connection is all set up, and what we can actually start to do is we can actually start building out the workflows, building out the functionality to accept payments on our platform.